Look at that, guys. We just made 2.35 extra Solana on 1 Solana, and we just turned our 1 Solana into 3.35 Solana, guys. Look at that. You can also hop on this train and make millions. Don't let it leave. 2025 year of meme coins. As you know, meme coin season is here, and people are launching meme coins on Radium and earning millions of dollars. You know, the season is getting higher and higher day by day. We can also hop on this train and change our lives. Look at this, guys. This guy invested, or this wallet invested $600 and turned it into $3,000. Then come to another one. This invested $700 and made profit of $5.5 thousand. And this one, look at that, $700 to $10,000. We can also do that. And believe me, I promise on this, if you follow along all the steps that I'm going to show you, then you can also turn your hundreds of dollars into thousands and thousands into millions of dollars. And you can also chase $1 million dream. So for that, we are going to start from the very main steps. For that, we need to cover these 5 steps, which involves from the first step of idea and to the last step of removing liquidity. So for the first step, we are going to go with the concept. The concept is the idea behind the meme coin that we are going to launch. It should be attractive enough to attract money and buyers, and for that we are going to do some research on like meme scope here. We can see what's trending these days, okay? And we are also going to check on pump fun. So yeah, these days cats and dogs are popping up, and cute pics of cats and dogs have always worked. So for that, I'm going to go with the shocked picture of a cat, and I can show you I've already made it on Canva. I've just downloaded this pic from Google and uploaded it here on Canva. It's really simple, guys, and after uploading it you can add any element to this pic, and after doing this you have to resize the image to 500 by 500 pixels. So yeah, your image is ready, your idea is ready. Now coming to the next step. Second step is the token creation. For that, we need a website for token creation, and token creation needs a tool where we can develop our Solana meme coin, and that tool is TokenClub.fun. As you come to TokenClub.fun here, you can create your own meme coin without any coding or dev knowledge. If you eager to learn yourself, then you can go to this learn resources section of Solana CoinMaker, and you can see there is complete guide present here, and you can learn everything regarding meme coin launch on Solana blockchain. And yeah, so you can look at that. Preparing to create your token, Solana wallet, basic. It's very basic things that you have to know before launching a coin. So like you should have phantom wallet, and other than that you should have token specification, as I've created the concept and other things, and add authority settings, token metadata. So I'm going to show you live how to create your own meme coin. Okay, so here we're going to connect our wallet. For wallet, we have Phantom, Solflare, Binance Budget, Bybit, and Coinbase. Wow, multiple options. So while it is connected, as we now click create token, the token name. So as I have decided the token name of my coin, which is PER, and the symbol or the ticker is also PER, summing to the image token logo, as I have made it already on Canva. So yeah, I'm going to upload that pic. Good, that's uploaded. Moving to the next step here, we will configure token supply. Okay, nice. The decimals and token supply is already filled. It is the recommended decimal and supply, number 9 and 1 billion. So you have to follow this, you can change it. But the main recommended settings are 9 and 1 billion. For the token description, we will write per the shocked cat, okay? Continue. So coming to the token details and socials, you really don't need to fill these, guys, because it doesn't really matter, because the market isn't saturated right now. But once the market gets saturated in future launching on Radium, so then you'll need these websites, Twitter and Telegram, Discord. So right now I'm going to turn this, off. And coming to the next step, modify creator information here. You can give your own information while you are launching a meme coin, like create a name and create a website, or pump fun or moonshoot, like your coin has succeeded from pump fun or moonshot. And as you might know, guys, whichever coin that gets graduated on pump fun or moonshot gets launched on Radium. So coming to the next thing, revoke freeze, revoke mint, basically revoke authorities, token authorities. So yeah, we have to select these two, because these two are the main thing, because no one is going to trust a coin in which people can change information after launching, then mint more supply after launching, diluting price of the coin, and freeze the accounts of token holders. So yeah, we will select these two. Now we are going to create our token here. We can see we have clicked on it, it requires 0.4 Solana. So yeah, for all these steps, you need to have like 1 Sol in your wallet to cover all these steps. Remember? So here, our wallet window has popped up. Yeah, so it has started creating our token with IPFS metadata, every detail uploading Solana blockchain. It's happening live right now. You can see it, guys. So yeah, so here is our token address and we can view it on SolScan. We'll check first in our wallet. And yeah, here we have perfect Solana meme coin per with 1 B supply by clicking that button. Yeah, here we are at SolScan, it's loading. Okay, so here you can see, guys, per our token, here is the token address, and here we can check the metadata that we have attached with the token. So yeah, here we are, the name of the token, per symbol, per, and okay, coming back to the Token Club page from this, we'll open another tab of TokenClub.fun here. We will create liquidity by clicking this button, create liquidity on Radium. So we have completed our first 2 steps now. We are going to third step. This is creating liquidity. So yeah, here for our base token, we will attach the token we have just created. So you need to paste token address here that you'll copy from the page that I asked you to keep. So yeah, here we paste our token address and here we got it. We're going to write the symbol as we wrote earlier and the token name. So yeah, our token is here, going to add it as a base token. So you have to select the max supply, but remember you have to convert it into 900 million so that 100 million remains in your wallet. And for the COOT token, we are going to attach Sol. So as you guys can see, the fee needed for this liquidity pool is 0.2 Sol. So we are going to subtract that from our 0.58 Sol and we're going to do like a 0.35 as our liquidity. So the fee tier is 0.25%. We will initialize liquidity pool. After initializing it, our coin will get launched on Solana network on Radium. So we have initialized the liquidity pool. Yeah, it's asking us to confirm. So yeah, here basically it will get on 900 million tokens of per and attached it with Solana 0.54 and let the liquidity pool be created. Creating pool. Okay, good. So you have to also keep this tab open. Okay, don't close it now. Come in and here you can see our coin has appeared and the trading on this coin will start in like 15 seconds. For that, we have to move quick to DEX screen. We'll paste the token address here in search and here you can also see that it is searching for our coin. So it will take little time, but it will appear here up. So it isn't showing up here. So we are going to put it on, you know, Bird Eye. This is the 4th step I'm doing right now, is updating the token address on these decks so that it gets marketed on these decks. So here we can see, guys, the transactions are already going on and our, you know, liquidity has doubled right now. So what we're going to do, it's in the next step, is we're going to go to the second tab. We open up Token Club here. We will click this button, manage liquidity, and here we will come to our portfolio. This is the 5th main step where we will remove the liquidity and we will make money. So here you have to wait like 3 to 4 minutes. So yeah, for 3 to 4 minutes you have to wait here so that your liquidity appears. It will take little time, and coming to Photon, opening our coin, and here you can see people are investing in it. It is getting trades transactions. Look at that, man. People are investing. So we will go back to DEX screen and try again, and it isn't showing up. What we're gonna do is like open any coin and paste our coin address after the slash in URL after it, and by clicking enter we can see this tab. Okay, confirm here that you are a human. Okay, confirming it. So yeah, our coin has appeared here. Look at that, guys. All liquidity went to $535 from $50 and our market cap is already $2,000. Look at this, guys. So we will keep, you know, refreshing our portfolio so that it gets appeared here. It will take a little time. You have to wait for it. Coming back to DEX screener. Look at that, guys. People are literally making transactions into it. And the market cap is going up. Look, someone bought $127 worth of our coin. People are literally doing it. Look at that, the market cap coming back to it. Look at this, people are literally buying it $63 and little transactions. So our liquidity has gone to $753 and the market cap is $5,000. What we're gonna do next is, you know, refresh the portfolio and wait for the removing of liquidity. Here we have to wait, guys, and going back to Photon here, our liquidity has already crossed 5,000. Have we got like 900 of liquidity? And even on the DEX screener, it's 5,000 of market cap and the liquidity is of 900. So literally guys, we are making money in it. Look at that, the coin is going up. And if we see the graph here, we can convert it to 1 second. Yeah, it will go up and down. So you have to wait and watch how your coin is working right now. So look at those transactions, number of transactions, people putting in here. So we have to wait now for the portfolio to appear. Come on, appear, show us the portfolio, come on, show us the money guys, show us the money. Okay, coming back to the DEX screener. Okay, market cap is $5,000 and liquidity is 900. Come on, cross it, okay. It's taking a little of bit time, so it will appear. You have to wait, guys, come on. Show us the money. So you're gonna see guys how we have turned our one sol into how many. You will see it live here, so wait for it. It's gonna appear. You can let it go for like an hour or two, but for this video purpose, I'm just showing you that I'm gonna remove the liquidity as it appears. I'm not gonna let this coin go for a long time. Come on, it will appear here guys. Okay, so it has appeared. Look at that guys. We started from only 1 Solana and we have got like 3.37 in this. So how we are going to remove this liquidity, we're going to click on this minus button and here we will select like 100% of the liquidity and we will click remove liquidity, baby. Remove it. So I'll show you live what we have made. Okay, it's moving. Remove liquidity, confirm, and let's open our wallet. Look at that guys. We just made 2.35 extra Solana on 1 Solana and we just turned our 1 Solana into 3.35 Solana guys. Look at that. You can also hop on this train and make millions. Don't let it leave.